Guys, I bought something the other day and I'm just so excited to show you. Check this out. It's an I Heart Yoga Pants sticker. And they threw in a free SV650 with it. It's got some dents, and this doofy handlebar, and a strangely not that comfortable aftermarket seat. And this shock from a Kawasaki that doesn't fit very well and rubs on the battery. And this loud aftermarket muffler, and an oil leak, and this ugly windscreen. And this gauge cluster off of... I'm not sure what it's off of. It needs a clutch perch. And turn signals. It even came partially disassembled. Alright, so the bike's a little rough. But truth be told, I knew that going in, and I'm still excited to work on it. One, because I love working on motorcycles. And two, because Craigslist is full of inexpensive motorcycles that need some TLC. And I wanted to show the process of getting one such bike back on the road. And so, for lack of a better term, we'll call this series of videos Used Motorcycle Rehab. We're going to rehabilitate this rough but salvageable bike and get it back into rideable shape. And three, the very first bike that anybody told me I should get. Back when I was in college, my roommate told me, you know, you should get a motorcycle, and the one you should get is an SV650. He's drooling on me. And I never got around to owning one until now. So I'm stoked to get to work on this bike, and I'm just as stoked to get to ride it when I'm done, and Mahir's excited too. I hope you guys are excited to join in the process. So I'll be seeing you in the garage soon as the parts start to arrive. Stay tuned.